My name is Craig Ayres. I'm the project director for the Children's Hospital Saskatchewan project. What we're seeing today, we've been underway for a couple of weeks with the piling works. So this is the preparatory work to get all the pilings that are going to support the base foundation of the future Children's Hospital Saskatchewan building. So we've got about 5 months of piling work ahead of us. There's approximately 300 piles in total that will be put into place. We've got about 30 in place to date, so about 10% of the work completed. As the piling work does progress, the Children's Hospital is a fairly large mass of the building, and the western edge of the Children's Hospital actually is going to be extending out over part of the current entrance roadways. So it's going to be cantilevered over top of those roadways, but we have to get those piles in place. So one of the things we're doing this week is to start to prepare to make some changes to the roadways. So we're going to need to change the entrance sequence coming into the road when we do need to get those piles in place. The actual piling work related to that will be until early next year. But we're doing the work to create some openings in those meridians and to get the paving work completed this fall. Obviously on the site there's been preparatory works going on for a couple of years now, so there is good awareness. We just remind people that this is an active construction site, and just please be cautious and continue to be patient, and maybe plan a little bit of extra time when you're coming to the site, and pay attention to the signage and instructions when you do enter the site.
So the piling work's underway right now. I guess it doesn't look by any means like a short process. So when are we going to start seeing the piling being done, and then afterwards the next part of the hospital?
So these piles, it's an important part of work. The piles depth are about 15 to 20 meters in depth, so most of this work is below the ground, if you will. We'll start to have this base foundation work, and early next year when the main building starts to be constructed is when you'll really see development coming above the ground.